Looking for how to create a simple YouTube banner without overthinking it? Do you know that your YouTube banner is like a billboard that tells your viewer what your content is all about? In case you are looking for a way to just make it simple without overthinking it, then this is the right place for you. Hello YouTube stars, what's up and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gani and this is Grow with Gani. Today's video, I am going to show you how to create a simple eye-catching YouTube banner. I will be using Keynote, which is a free application on my MacBook, but you can do it anywhere, either on Canva, because Canva is the easiest way also, but I find my Keynote very easy for me to navigate, so that's why I prefer using my Keynote. So in case you want to do it, you can do it on any application that is meant for design. This tutorial will help you make a banner to stand out. Without wasting much of our time, let's get right into it. Now I want to show you how I created my banner. Okay, so you can see these are the sizes of desktop. I've already made this research on Google. This is tablet, this is desktop, and this is TV. So these are the sizes of each one that I make research. So I'm going to copy it. And normally I want mobile. That's what I really want. This size of mobile is what I want. So I'll open a new. I am doing it on my Keynote, which is application in my Mac. Okay, so that's where I'm doing it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on shape. As you can see here, shape. So I want this type of shape. I want to make sure it is centered. One thing I love about Keynote is that it will show you when it is centered. If you can see this yellow line, it will show you that it's centered. But I want to make it bigger so that it can be big in my. I want white background. I don't want any complicated banner. I want just white background. So I'm going to put a border around it. So it said no border. I'm going to put border. If you want to know how I achieve all this, and I want to make the fill white because I want white and black. As you can see, it's white. So I can make the line thicker than that if I want. Okay, so I think it's okay like this. I want it to be. I can also still make it more if I want it to shape very well. So I can still reduce it also. So I think I love the way it is. So what I'm going to do is, as you know, the name of my channel is Grow with Gani. So I'm going to add text. This is how I did my banner. So I'm going to add text. Grow with. I don't want anything complicated from beginning. Okay, I don't want anything complicated. As I said, with Keynote, it will let you to know whether it is at the center or not. You can see it's at the center. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to text here. Then I will change the font because I love a big font. I love this font very well. Okay, so I'm going to make it bigger, and then as you can see, I want to make it centered. When it's centered, it will tell me it's centered. Okay, this one is centered. So I will leave it like that. Once I leave it this way, then I want to write something under it. Okay, so what I want to put is under my notes here. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy and paste it here so that I can be able to adjust it. Okay, so because this is what my channel is all about, I'm going to Command C. If you are used to Mac, Command C. If it is on Windows, it's going to be Control C, but on Mac it's Command C. So I'm going to click on that Command C to make it to paste it, copy it, then Command V to paste it. So I want to tell my viewers what my channel is all about. Okay, so that is what I am trying to do. So I want to set it. Be right back. So I've copied and pasted what I want to put under it. This is it, and then I will go and bring in my YouTube logo that I want to put inside it. Okay, so when I want to bring it, I'll go to my media as usual. How to bring it? So I'll go and choose file, and then I will bring it inside. So So it's here. So I'm going to place it where I want it to be. That YouTube logo, where I want it to be, I'm going to place it there. So because this channel is all about YouTube, so it's all about YouTube, so I'm going to place the YouTube logo somewhere around here. Okay, I move this one up, I place this YouTube logo somewhere around here to just make it, to beautify it, so it will not be just be only words. So this is what I want to put on my channel. So what I will do is, as you will be seeing it on my channel, so this is my YouTube banner. So simple and ABC. It doesn't take stress to create. As you can see, it takes me less than 5 minutes to create this logo. You can see it takes me lesser. So as you can see, it's so simple. Then I'll take it to my, upload it on my YouTube channel. Okay, and that's it. You have created a simple YouTube banner. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and watch the next video on your screen.